Okay, it's Tuesday, October 10th. This is an end of the day SPY recap, and today we end up with a 2-up potential shooter bar here. So we will see if this little failure after it reached its highs and moved down a little bit extends tomorrow for a 2-down day. That could start the weekly failure, but we don't know yet. We're kind of possibly looking for that. We've discussed how after last week's hammer bar, we expected to come out, take out this high. We said there's room to run up into this gap here, and we will be playing the upside and also aware that we could be getting in a reversal in this area. So this could be the beginning of that. We will see if we get a 2-down tomorrow, whether that begins to take, if that even should occur, if we then start really getting some downside towards some of these targets. And again, the big picture here on the monthly chart, we did take out the low of the previous month on the red bar, and we have to get really below this purple line before this month becomes red and then continues lower. And we have some quarterly charts that I'll show that one more time here, that projects to the downside. Just given the fact we have a 2-down quarter, yeah, we rallied up a little bit into this bar, but we still have 3 months to go to get all the way down here. So we're kind of waiting, given this 2-month is in force, the 2-down is in force, for something to reverse and head lower. But in order for that to happen, it has to kind of have a chain reaction. I'll go back to the monthly chart here, which is green at the moment. We need the chain reaction of first a daily chart heading down. We need this weekly chart to kind of fail in some form and ultimately get the 2-down week, which is kind of near that purple line, which is the open of the month, and in this case, the open of the week. And if we get all kinds of things developing and take that out, then we could be heading a lot lower. So for now, we will just kind of look at today's real quickly. It was a pretty clear day of trading. First bar kind of stayed in between the pre-market range here, and then we moved up. So anytime you have an inside bar here, inside the pre-market range, and then you break above it, you're kind of expecting that high or low to be tested. We got up there, and then, there was your buy signal on bar 2, and then it exploded up there, and you can see all morning long, all kinds of ways to take profits. And that's why I'm generally just looking for a morning trade, and there was, whether you took it here or here or here, there was plenty of ways to profit. And then all of a sudden, when it was trying to get an orderly pullback for maybe some kind of a secondary push up there, big red bar hit. And again, we shouldn't be surprised at that, given that we, in the big picture, we're looking for a potential reversal in this area. So there was nothing to do, in the afternoon. So great morning trade, nothing to do in the afternoon. We'll see if this kind of, gives us a 2-down tomorrow and starts the downward action. And that's kind of what we're looking for. So another great trade today in the morning to the upside, given that we had this gap to fill, and we've been talking about that. We'll now see tomorrow, given the pre-market range and the opening price action, if this becomes kind of a reversal day or not. So that's what we're looking for. But for now, just a good day of trading to the upside.